Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Miniconda on Debian 12. First, download the latest Miniconda installer script. Next, run the installer script. Reload your shell to activate the installation. Then, check that conda is working. Run the following command to create a new environment. Next, activate the environment. Continue to install necessary packages. You can also create a new environment using a YAML file. First, create the following new file. Then, add the following content. After that, create the environment and activate it. Next, run the following command to list all environments. Now, activate your environment. Install Flask and PIP. Next, create your project directory and navigate into it. Then, create the Flask app. Paste the following code. After that, create the HTML template. Then, add the following lines. Finally, run the Flask app. In another terminal, test the app using the following command.